In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up A4 and letter variants of the same deck using masters in PowerPoint. If you work with teams or clients across different regions, you've probably run into the A4 versus letter dilemma. Instead of maintaining two separate decks, we'll create a single file with two master designs so your content stays in sync, while each variant is perfectly sized for its audience. Start by opening your presentation and heading to the View tab. Click Slide Master. This is where all the global design rules live: your layouts, placeholders, and default styles. Working here ensures consistency and saves time because changes cascade across slides that use those layouts. Next, duplicate your main master to create the alternate size. In the left panel, right-click your current master and choose Duplicate Master. This gives you a safe working copy, so you can adapt sizing without disturbing your original design. If you like, you can give it a clear name so you remember which one is A4 and which is letter. With the duplicated master selected, switch its slide size. Go to the Design tab, choose Slide Size, then Custom Slide Size. Pick A4 or letter, depending on which one your original deck isn't using. When PowerPoint asks whether to maximize or ensure fit, choosing Ensure Fit usually keeps elements from getting cropped, though you may need to fine-tune spacing afterward. Remember that A4 is taller and slightly narrower than letter, so margins and line breaks may shift. Now adjust the layouts on the duplicated master. Check title and content placeholders, image frames, and any charts or logos. Nudge elements to respect margins, keep text comfortably within safe areas, and maintain consistent hierarchy and alignment. If charts or images look stretched, hold Shift while resizing to preserve proportions. Keeping most content inside placeholders helps it reflow more gracefully between sizes. Once the layouts look good, assign your slides to the appropriate master layouts. Go back to normal view, select a slide, go to the Home tab, click Layout, and choose the matching layout from the new master. You can do this for the entire deck or just the slides you plan to distribute in that size. If something looks off, reapply the layout or adjust placeholders rather than editing individual text boxes. Finally, save your deck. You now have one file containing both A4 and letter variants, sharing the same content but optimized for their respective page sizes. This setup makes updates seamless and keeps your brand consistent across regions.